Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any vehicle having a Ford F-150. We're talking specifically about that generation here from year 2009 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, and if you need to find where the speedometer fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way do not waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. We'll be making a video about every fuse, every relay on that Ford F-150. Why we do that guys? So we can save you time and money. Let's say you're stuck in the middle of the road and your fuel injectors or fuel pump fuse goes out. Without knowing guys how to replace it, where it's located, you may be stuck in the middle of nowhere. And if you watch our video, you will be able to find that fuse in less than a minute or two, replace it, and you will be back on the road. Now another thing, every single car that we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. All these videos will be on our main YouTube channels guys. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers and 10,000 videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And something else guys, if you need to buy any fuses, any relays for your Ford F-150 guys, okay, you will have some special fuses, relays. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays, parts at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's continue now. So the speedometer fuse, let's explain where it's located on a 2014 Ford F-150. It should work on that generation, the facelifted version F-150, but it may work on the ones before the facelift. You have two different fuse boxes, we'll be working one of them, and that fuse box is located on the passenger side in the footwell right here in the compartment. We have one cover on that kick panel. Open that cover and you will see a fuse box that will look just like this one. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here guys, what we need to check if you come in that row of fuses, even if you have a missing fuse, you need to count that spot. You're going to start with fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Fuse number 11, that fuse right here is for speedometer, instrument cluster gauges guys, right here. That's the fuse that you will need to check. If you guys have any more questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please give a like if it was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.